Oh shit. Damn it. I knew you were there getting. I knew he was gonna try to throw a freaking grenade.
Tower's right there. Gotta get inside.
All right.
Alright. Oh, I thought Sully just took it. I'm like, you asshole. Guns in this game are so much better than in any of the games so far, in my opinion. Almost everything about this game is better than the other two that have come out.
Up this way.
I don't walk up the stairs. I rarely walk up the stairs.
Come on, son.
I
Give me some
was
help with
trying
this
to
door.
say. Immovable object versus shoving force. Final round. Here comes his partner. I win. Freaking boss.
Alright.
No.
Alright.
Well, which way now?
Not really sure.
Why don't we try going down?
Yeah. Whoa.
Spin around, around. Hold on. Ooh, secret. I never knew this place existed. Oh shit. See, wow. Silver Rococo teapot. That's very nice. Wow. That's messed up. Okay, I still have it.
Well, which way now?
Not really sure. Hey. Look at this.
He's dead.
What the hell?
He
It's one of
did.
Talbot's men.
Was. That's impossible. They just got here.
Yeah, but what could have happened to him?
I have no idea, but I sure as hell don't like it.
He did. Alright.
Hey,
So.
look at the tiles. Sabian script. I'll stand over here so I don't step on any by accident.
Good idea.
Damn it.
Did Lawrence make any notes about this?
Let me check.
Alright. There we go.
That's it! You did it!
It's pitch dark in here. Want to give us some light?
What's this? Terrible down. Hold on.
Some sort of laboratory, doesn't it?
Hey, a little more light, Sully.
You got it.
Oh, table dancing. Hey, okay, no.
Seems to be an alchemist's lab.
Books have not
Wait a
been
second.
seen for
Does this
hundreds
place
of
remind you of
years.
anything?
Yeah. Marlowe's creepy hideout, now that you mention it.
Sully,
Sully, this is John Dee's lab.
All the way out here? In France?
Well, he must have traced the clues back to the Crusades, just like Lawrence did.
Hey, look at this.
Sabaean script again. But what are these symbols? Looks like he was trying to work something out.
There's some sort of message written here in a Anakian script.
Think you can decipher it?
I'll try.
The altar guards the entrance to the underworld. Huh. Well, he did use magic to conjure spirits.
Yeah. Or the altar could be hiding a secret passage.
Oh. Right.
Help me
Idiot.
push. Look at that.
Crafty old bastard.
I think you.
Not you. John D.
Oh,
Well, you're crafty too.
and old.
Shut up. Okay. I don't want to be a meanie. Or an idiot. I'm probably both.
Oh, there you
God.
go.
Okay.
Sully, give me a
I
light.
need to grow up. Wow.
Ah, much better.
You know, one of these
This
days
is a
you're
very
gonna
nice
have to
cave.
Start carrying your own matches.
What are you talking about?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Looks like
Alright.
you really wanted to keep something out.
We're in. Here, give me a hand with this.
Yeah, in, cause really?
I got it.
There you go.
Alright, now to
like
most,
the
this
family
puzzle's
crypt.
really, really tough.
Pal Godfrey must be down here then, huh?
With any luck.
But,
He knew anything about the Atlantis of the Sands.
me-
Took it with him to the grave.
So let's find the grave.
Exactly.
this
Let's
is
see.
probably one of the easiest.
Looks like he was trying to solve this, but he never quite finished. What is this? Medieval game
Alright.
show? Pretty
So,
elaborate.
Of course.
Yeah.
Anything?
He doesn't seem to be in any of these crypts.
No. Now they would have hidden his tomb. Keep looking around.
A horse. Okay, it's not the other way around. That's good. Alright. Or is it the other way around? There we go.
Got it.
Good job.
See, it's easy as heck.
It's inviting.
I'm looking for treasure.
Watch yourself. Lord Godfrey, I presume?
The one and only.
Lord Godfrey.
This is it. Here, hold this, will you?
Sure.
Hi, Lord Godfrey. How's it going?
Look, it's some sort of amulet.
Something written here.
How's it going? How's it like being dead for 1,000 years? Must be kind of fucking boring,
It's script.
you know,
That'd be from ancient Yemen.
just being a dead person.
Yeah. Exactly where Francis Drake would have
That's
landed back in
sad.
the 16th century.
Could be the name of a city?
Shit. From 3,000 years ago. Without the rest of that inscription, we still don't know where to look.
Probably
Let's
need
hope
to
the other
edit that
half is in
out.
Syria.
Shit.
Yeah, and the Cutter and Chloe can find it.
Here. Or memories. What? I can't do anything. I can't shoot. Damn it.
I wouldn't recommend that. Shit.
You have a grenade.
Nice work, gentlemen. Harris, please relieve Mr. Drake of the artifact.
Harris.
Yeah, Harris. Come get it.
Damn.
It's hardly worth dying
You're a
over, is
good ass shot.
it? Your friend doesn't think so.
I'm gonna admit that.
Come on, Nate.
Oh, he's doing his job. He's doing what he was told to do. Alright. Gotta respect that shit. Run, Harris. No!
What the
Oh,
hell?
shit. God damn.
Stay in the light. Get it.
No, Harris. You don't even care. Harris. He ragdoll. Shit. Not Harris.
Seems to be dying out.
You give a bad guy a name and you kill him off.
God, what
That's it.
Right?
I know. That's it. Talbot,
Gotta
we're
find
gonna
a way
kill
out of
you.
here fast. Stay close.
How dare you don't try to
Torch is going out.
Oh, that's the exact same model.
Find a way out of
You
here.
see.
Wait,
Oh,
up there.
oh, God. That's like they use the same model. Come on.
Come on, come on.
Don't be an idiot, Sully.
Give me a hand.
Oh my God, I teleported.
Here. Come on.
Shit.
Jesus Christ, they're coming from everywhere.
Oh,
Gully, come on. Come on, we gotta go.
Run!
Go.
Run! Not the spiders, oh God. My life sucks. A lot.
Oh God, they're coming through the ceiling.
Hey, the boy in that flute, though.
Run.
God, these things are fast.
My God, these things are fast. You think? Idiot.
Come on, Nate.
Oh God. I'm sorry, I'm stepping on some spiders.
I got you. Jump.
One's falling onto my face.
Take it off. All right, you're clear.
Huh? Yeah.
How about me?
Turn around. Are you good? You okay?
Yeah. I think
That's
so.
a big
Let's
gun.
go.
Look at that.
Go back in there.
That's a
I think
big
that's a good
ass
idea.
gun. Whoa. With a gun that big, you know that you're gonna earn some respect. No one's gonna be messing with you anytime soon.
No, we're not going that way.
Whichever way we go, just promise me there's no more goddamn spiders.
I did like that song though. It's called Arachnophobia.
Okay. We gotta find a way out of here.
Is that Lord Godfrey? He doesn't look very good. He looks weird.
Damn it, it's no good.
I'm sorry.
Alright. I'll see if
They
I
had
can
a
find a way
typewriter.
across.
Look at that. They had a typewriter in the Middle Ages. How? How is that possible?